Waiting was really quite a pleasant experience because we shot the whole film in one schedule, 28 days. Working with Nasir was a pleasure. He's a very sweet, grumpy old man who happens to be extremely talented, and so you learn a lot just by being on set with him. Anu Menon is a very good writer, very sensitive, honest, and very open also to changing and adapting things. And Tara was a fun, slightly annoying but cute character to play.
So, what did you learn from Nasir, sir?
What I learned from Nasir in a big way was to constantly stay honest to your character and to argue for that. Sometimes a director lives with the whole script, but they might not know the details of how that person would move or walk or talk. So those are details and nuances that an actor, because they start living with the character, they start seeing a consistency in it. And so he really argues for that and makes sure that he doesn't even pick up a cup without it being consistent to the character.
I've seen your movie, so your character Tara is it very natural of you, or you have prepared for the role?
I don't think I'm very much like Tara. I think she's a lot more hoity-toity than me. She's more dramatic. She's like but I can relate, of course, to many things. In our lives are similar in the sense that she's a social media person, fast-paced life, young. So all of these things, yeah. But I think the journey that she has taken I have not taken that journey for sure. And, it's a real coming of age for her.
You've got the National Award for being a very fine actress. So, what do you have to say on that?
I'm very happy with my national award.
What did your parents say to you?
They were thrilled. My mom especially has told the whole of Pondicherry. I got calls from everybody. My battery ran out in literally like 20 minutes on my phone because everybody was calling me. It was great.
So, tell us, how did you find the whole waiting thing? What would you want to tell the audience for the whole movie?
For me, this is a film which is very sincere, very honest. It's something we can all relate to. We all wait in our lives for something, but we forget to live in those waiting moments. We forget to live in the moment, laugh, learn to find hope even in the darkest situations. So it's a film which reminds you of the preciousness of life.
And what are your future projects? You want to tell us about it?
Yeah, I'm doing Konkona Sen Sharma's first film as a director. It's called Death in the Ganj. I play a character called Mimi, who's half Bengali and half French. I'm doing a web series called Smoke, where I play a DJ from Goa, and it's set in Goa in the backdrop of the Goan mafia and the Goan politics. I finished a film called Mantra by Nicholas Karkonger with me and Rajat Kapoor. I play a rebellious chef. What else? That's it.
And as you know, today Modi Sarkar has completed 2 years of its ruling party thing. So what are your comments on the whole BJP party? How do you think they've developed the whole country in any way?
I think there has been a lot of industrial progress. There's been a lot of focus on bringing the financial side of the country forward. I think we have yet to see work on the rural side, and I'd like to see more focus on education as well.
And what do you think the whole country needs more of it? As a
I just said environment. I think we need to care for our environment a lot more. We're destroying our water bodies, we're destroying our forests, and we have a stunning country. We should take care of it.
Have you seen the Sultan Trailer by any chance?
No.
You haven't.
मैम लुक हियर
What Well, we became friends because we connect on several levels. We became very, very close friends. And coincidentally, both our films are releasing at the same time, which is amazing. Both small films and need absolutely every kind of support. So we are here to support each other. बहुत पसंद करती हूँ और ऑफ बीट नहीं है उतनी कमर्शियल जितनी ऑफ बीट मैं कैटेगरीज नहीं करती और आई एम श्योर आई एम गोइंग टू लव इट बिकॉज आई लव कल्कि एंड नसीर सर सो वेरी एक्साइटेड
जिन भी फिल्मों का पार्ट है वो बड़ी मुश्किल नहीं है फिल्में अगर इसमें एक्टिंग का बहुत बड़ा किरदार रहता है तो कैसे निभा पाती है क्योंकि आजकल की जो बाकी फिल्में भी आ रही है उससे कैसे कम्पीट कर पाते हैं कहीं एक स्ट्रेस रहता है कि यार मैं ऐसा अंडर प्ले कर रही हूँ या फिर कुछ ऐसा मैसेज
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता कोई भी काम है काम है तो कोई भी तरीके का रोल हो उसको उसी सिंसियरिटी से निभाना पड़ता है ड्रीम रोल कोई नहीं है
आप चाहती हैं आप पार्ट रहती हो आप चाहती कि
नहीं ऐसे कभी मैं सोचती नहीं
जो आगे हो गया
नॉर्मली राइवलरी होती है ये अजम्पशन गलत है ये लोगों का परसेप्शन है और वो सही नहीं है सर ओके
யாரை பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கு மக்க மாதிரி இது சொல்லுங்க. நீங்க பொதுவாக நடிகனால திட்டுவாங்க என்ன சார்
இது என்ன கதையா இருக்கு?